Frogs are animal athletes with strong, powerful legs that allow them to leap out of harm's way. These powerful limbs are the secret to their success, and amazingly, it takes baby frogs weeks and weeks to grow them. Fact number 1. There is evidence that frogs have roamed the earth for more than 200 million years, at least as long as the dinosaurs. Like beautiful butterflies, frogs and toads undergo an astonishing transformation, which is called metamorphosis, as they grow up. From jelly-like substance laid in water, they grow into wriggling tadpoles and finally grow legs suitable for land. But how does this mesmerizing metamorphosis work? Let's have a look at each stage of the frog life cycle in turn to find out. Stage 1. Extraordinary eggs. It all starts with adult frogs laying hundreds of tiny eggs, which clump together in groups known as frog spawn. This happens in early spring when the weather is just starting to get warmer. Spotting frog spawn is often thought of as being a key sign of spring. Fact number 2. As far as scientists are concerned, there is no difference between frogs and toads. They have different characteristics but share the same family tree. In the frog spawn, the baby frogs start out as tiny black dots surrounded by a jelly-like substance. Over time, they become coma-shaped as the tail begins to develop. Stage 2. Tadpoles. After spending 1 to 3 weeks eating the yolk of the egg, the baby frog hatches into the big wide world. Now, the baby frogs are known as tadpoles. They have gills, a mouth, and long tail, which they need for swimming. Fact number 3. The tadpole stage of the frog life cycle is known as the larval stage. Tadpoles are frog larvae in the same way that caterpillars are butterfly larvae. For the first week or two after hatching, tadpoles won't move around very much, as they are still absorbing some nutrition from the yolk of the egg. However, once the yolk is all gone, the tadpoles are big and strong enough to venture out into the watery world. Unlike adult frogs, tadpoles can't go on land, so they feed on plant material filtered from the water and tear off tiny chunks nearby vegetation. The legless, water-bound tadpoles slowly metamorphose into frogs over the next 14 weeks. First, they grow back legs, then front legs too. Soon after, their body starts to change shape and they are able to start eating insects. Next, the tadpoles' tails shrink away and grow skins over their gills as they develop lungs and eardrums. These are super important steps as they prepare the tadpole for life on land. Once this stage is finished, the baby frogs emerge from the water as tiny adults. Fact number 4. Tadpoles are able to control the timing of their transformation. If they are living in a dangerous environment like a pond full of hungry fish, they will metamorphose more quickly to make their escape. On the other hand, if their pond has lots of plants to munch through and few predators, or if it is extra cold on land, tadpoles can delay their metamorphosis and remain in the water for up to a year.